Hello viewers, here is I do believe a 40-year-old comfortmaker air conditioner. Still works. 2.5 ton unit. It's a straight coil unit. You can't see the information sheet because it's fade away. Coil is in really good shape. The fans right there, compressors right there, and over here. There's a bunch of these over here, so there's a lot of these old 40-year-old comfortmaker units. Right there, another one. Same thing. Except for the coil's really beat up. It's all beat up. Then I have permission to go in here. Oh, okay. There's our Honeywell thermostat. The stairs. Ready to turn. Here's the farser Johnston. Okay, never heard of this brand, but if anyone knows what kind of brand this is, there's a brand name right there. Never heard of it. Right here's the blower. There's the furnace. There's the evaporator coil. Farser Johnston. Okay. There's a cutoff box. There's some pins. Of course, there's a bunch more. I'll show you. And it's hot out here today. For being February, it's already in the 70s, which is way above normal. There's a bunch of guys back here. Good thing I got shoes on. So there's some more than units. 2 old comfortmakers. 8 Goodman, Johnston. Another one of the units. Pane. So these all have the reciprocating compressors. I do believe this is a 03. Right here. Another one. Another one. There's the compressor. Johnston, Goodman, 2 comfortmakers. Yeah, that's all. I gotta go. Kinda in a rush and I gotta leave here. So yeah.